Okay, we're heading to the desert. We're in the desert. We're heading out. Everybody take a look up at GoPro.
GoPro!
Give me your last wishes.
Let's please make it to the camel.
Yalla.
So what is the plan?
He said something that when he got here,
Nobody knows the plan.
it just depended what was available. Cars, jeeps, camels.
And apparently our vans couldn't go past this point.
Right.
Camels didn't show up.
Because I guess they had enough vehicles.
They've been in the pub all day, probably.
Yeah, exactly.
Camels.
Camels laying down.
Yeah.
All right. Hopefully we'll capture some good faces in here. Yeah, let's close that door.
Hold on, Bob.
Somebody's holding on to the back end.
You know, this is a big job.
Oh, you couldn't pick a bigger juncture than.
Throw another bag in here. I hope it isn't a really long ride.
Good one. I followed Smitty, which is usually a mistake.
Yeah.
You should give it to him.
You do know this is going to be libations and a lot of laughter.
Which is why we followed you.
Could be preceded by a little pain, but.
Oh, look at that. Yeah, when I saw that, I just said, what is that thing?
Right.
It's a lot of work for one night.
Maybe that's why they said to keep the camels.
Looks like a castle down there. See it, John?
Yeah, dude. sandstorm over that way. And there's a nice green lake. Guess we are going to the lake, guys.
I wonder where he is.
Coming.
Going to the ATM?
He's trying to figure out where the ATM is.
He said it's right up here.
So this sandstorm.
Are we gonna get out in an ATM?
Yeah, it'll blow over in about 40 minutes, but yes, I
The
am.
ATM is right up the road. Okay, let's go. ATM. 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 I'll just leave it there, huh?
No.
There you go. Yalla, yalla.
Yalla, 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 yalla.
Oh my gosh, get a shot of that.
Look at that.
Whoa. Whoa.
I can make a single shot out of GoPro, so.
Wow. Oh, boom.
Look how fast it's moving.
Oh my God.
Up ahead of us.
Yes. I don't know anything. You're asking the wrong person. I know nothing. I know nothing. I got nothing. Oh my gosh. We go from here to
All right, it's on the road now. See?
All right, time to roll these babies up. Because the sand is going to come in like grit, like everywhere. Like, give us a facial. My hearing aids. Oh no. Speed this way.
Visibility's going to be really interesting.
I can already smell it.
On the way to the camel ride yesterday, it disappeared. Yeah. We're doing about 20K.
Look at the wind.
Mm-hmm. And the road just kind of, everything just went blank for a good 5-6 seconds.
It's going to make like the whole trip. You have to be in the middle of it.
Yeah.
What do you remember most? Oh, that sandstorm.
Oh man, I'm glad I washed my hair this morning.
That's why I did it. That's why I'm doing it. My feet need to be clean. Yeah, I'm going to jump in. When he said we got the afternoon off, I'm like, good. I'm in. Can you believe it? I'm not making the afternoon off. Let's put it that way. I'm not giving it off. I'm taking it. It's 3:20. Okay. Then we're on our way.
We'll be there about 5.
Look, it all whited out. Can't you see it? There's no sky anymore. No mountains either. No sand dunes.
Yeah, the dunes were up here. You can still see it.
Like yesterday.
Yep, exactly.
We're okay. I'm not getting out.
There's a dune over there. You see it? Vaguely?
Yeah, just barely.
Because it's bright, you can see it.
Yeah,
That little thing?
Right there, that big thing over there.
yeah.
Yeah.
Yellow light.
That little bit of
Yeah, that's
yellowy.
it.
That little bit of yellow is a huge sand dune, and it's going to disappear here in a bit.
Is there a season that this happens more than another?
I would imagine that during the spring, probably, because it's rainy season, and I don't know if they get rain with all these.
I do know that they get huge dust storms during the spring that go all the way across the Atlantic into
Oh, that's right.
Brazil.
Huh.
Yeah.
Africa does?
Yeah. The Sahara, half the Sahara deserts live in the, the Brazilian jungle.
Yeah.
They're not that far apart.
Probably why they have good beaches.
No, not that. Crazy?
This is what the snow looks like in Wyoming
Wow.
Yeah.
when it snows there.
Look at it rippling.
Horizontal.
Snow in my
Yeah.
I mean, sand.
Did you? Okay.
Can you imagine riding through
Because it is
Morocco on
going
a
that way, so
bicycle?
this one.
Those motorcyclists, remember they rode into this yesterday. That's got to dork up a whole lot of stuff, your brakes and everything.
Think about that little Bedouin village. Yeah.
The dune has disappeared.
There were cracks like those through there.
Feel that?
Yeah, I did.
What in my hair is gone?
I'm smelling dust everywhere.
If I die of heat asphyxiation.
Roll the window down.
No, it was getting in the
It's
face.
good hardly at all. We got inundated with sand.
Yeah, because these are fine little particles.
Yeah.
or whatever. No, it's fine.
Yeah.
That's just what she said, so I did it.
I hope it doesn't change on us.
All around us now.
You're in the head or heart of it.
Yeah, that's what I like.
The eye of the storm.
It's good. It's good.
Oh my
It's slowly ate our scalp.
Oh, yeah.
We are in the middle of it.
We are in Man, this
Good
gets
here.
really harsh and fast.
And here's the whiteout.
Yeah.
Let's have a photo of this crazy Americans.
Yeah. Now I'm tasting the Sahara.
Yeah, I'm getting it too.
Look at that poor son of a bitch walking.
Now he's like in Peloton.
Walking like there's nothing.
I have the sand ripping against him.
Oh, look at this one. He's not
ATM. Ah, perfect. Okay.
Sand.
Here you go, baby. How much do I get?
They will come.
This is definitely civilization.
I don't think this is an 11-passenger vehicle.
hard.
What's the matter?
Well, we got to get up the sand. It's kind of hard.
And he cut us off?
Yeah.
That was not nice.
All right.
I have no idea what we're doing.
Just trying to get some energy to get up there.
Not cutting off.
Anywhere.
No clue. There's some sitting down
Have you
over
ever
here.
break the camel?
I have. Just don't start
I've seen
going.
it on Master.
I think I'm ready to get on the camel to go.
Well, then you can wait here. You don't have to get on.
Just hang on when they stand up. That's all I can say. Yeah. See, when I got on it, they were standing.
Oh my God.
That's gonna
Oh
be
my God,
different.
look at them all. Oh, Kevin did not really prepare me for this.
Well, the good thing is they have them tied together.
Yeah.
Well, I'll listen to you chew his ass when we get out of here on GoPro if you want.